Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. My name is Lachlan Elsworth. I'm the MD for Traders International here in Australia and New Zealand. A number of traders have actually come forward over the last couple of weeks and said, Lockie, I really want to show people what it's like to trade in a live Forex room. Can you possibly record a quick intro that shows people around the room, details the functionality, and simply shows them how they can actually interact with the pro trader? The answer was absolutely yes. So let's run through the live Traders International Forex trading room. What I want to do is actually we've just started the London session, and as a result, we've got a number of short signals that have been called, both on those right-hand charts there. We'll get to the charts in a second. What I want to do is run through the functionality, run through how our junior traders are actually interacting with the pro trader and learning the strategy, literally learning how to trade live in the market, while they've also got the opportunity to push the button on trades as the pro trader actually does it in front of everybody. So over here on the left-hand side, extreme left-hand side, what do we have? We actually have an information panel. And that information panel actually allows the pro trader to not only monitor who's in the room, but also at this stage you can see we've got just on 140 traders in the room. It also allows the junior traders to be able to see who's logged into the room, which pro trader is actually on duty at this point in time, and who is assisting the pro trader. We have assistants in the trading rooms to actually assist the pro trader, so the pro trader can focus on the actual charts and focus on what's going on, and the assistant actually does a lot of the admin and answers questions and does all this kind of stuff. Now down the bottom here we've actually got a function called the shared folder. Now in the shared folder there's a large amount of information. In fact, as I expand that for you, you can actually see that the list just continues further and further and further down. Let me expand that out for you. You can see there that's lots of different Excel spreadsheets as well as PDFs. What we actually get the pro trader to do is actually trade a set amount of money over a certain period and then actually put the PDF in the shared folder to actually show everybody, you know, this is what the pro traders achieved in the trading room using the signals. Now in November we actually turned around about $1,000 into just on 13,000 in the room, and that PDF document's there for anybody that wants to have a look. Now down below that we actually have our favorites links. Let me just expand that out for you again. Down the bottom here, favorite links, and that actually enables the pro trader to actually link different information into the trading room, so the pro traders can take advantage, and so can the junior traders. Now down the bottom here, this is our chat function. This is where you've actually got the opportunity to not only view the general chat but also view announcements. Now if you want to send send a chat to the pro trader, you simply go to the general chat tab. Go into the general chat tab, type in your question there. Hi Erica, or hi Ted, are we trading the EJ or the GJ? You know, what are we actually trading, and how how can I take advantage of it? Now the beauty of that is you can get the interaction and the tutoring and the mentoring from the pro trader immediately. Now the announcements tab here, this is actually where the pro trader will actually send out the SMS to all of the junior traders. What we'd like to do is we actually like to send out an SMS to the junior traders to say, hi junior traders, there is a signal. So if the junior traders aren't anywhere near their computer, they can actually receive the free SMS service, call the 1-800 number, and actually place the trade while they're on the road or while they're at work. So whatever it is that they're doing, they've actually got the opportunity to place the trade. Now trading is very much about a lifestyle, and for those people that are a 9-to-5 worker, so you don't have the opportunity to normally sit in front of a computer and take trades, Traders International's got around that utilizing the 1-800 call function. You know the beauty of that 1-800 number? It costs you nothing extra to place that trade using the 1-800 number, other than the normal pip spread that you would actually pay for a Forex trade. Now let's get to the chart. As you can see, the pro trader is actually moving a number of details around the chart as we speak. What we have is we've got 4 different charts here, and the pro trader is actually utilizing all of those charts to monitor the trades that we're currently in. You'll note if you read the code at the top of each of those charts, you'll see exactly what we're doing and what chart it is. For example, if we profile the top left-hand chart, that's actually a euro yen. So we're actually trading the European market against the yen. We're using a 5-minute chart. And the indicators down the bottom here, particularly that band all the way down the bottom, is one of the indicators that the pro traders will actually use to take advantage of the market as the market moves down. Now, of course, there's a huge amount of discretion on behalf of the pro trader, and it's actually the experience of the pro trader that you rely upon very heavily when you're first in the trading room. So we've got 4 charts going on here at the moment. Quite often the pro trader will monitor up to 9 different currency pairs, and the 4 that are most pertinent to what we're trading will actually be on the chart for the junior traders to trade. Now the 2 right-hand charts here, you can see we've actually got 2 short signals that have been called by the pro trader at the moment. We're short on both of those charts with the intent that with both of those trades, we've actually got a 100 pip target on both and a 50 pip stop. And what you'll note Traders International is very, very good at is ensuring that our profit targets are significantly bigger than our stop outs. Proof of that you can see here live on the chart as we visit the room. Why are we so big on big profits and small stops? Because it means that our junior traders are more than likely going to be taking money off the table when the market moves in our favor. If it doesn't move in our favor, then what we can actually do is say, well, you know what, we've had a negative trade, but it's actually not that negative. The positives are very positive and the negatives are actually not that negative. So it's a way of stacking the odds of the trades in your favor. All right, ladies and gents, that's enough. That's enough from me. I hope that you've enjoyed the introduction into the live trading room. At the same time, I hope you learn a little bit about what we do and why we do it. If you would like to attend a webinar that actually goes through the trading in detail and shows you exactly what we do and exactly why we do it, then please don't hesitate to go to the website. Simply just tradersinternational.com, www.tradersinternational.com, and yeah, register for one of the next upcoming live events. Find out more about what we do and work out whether day trading forex and futures is for you. Have an absolutely brilliant day, and thanks for your time. Cheers.